Modeling and rendering can be selected and ordered from the miscellaneous menu. Just like in case of complete properties, you have to provide the details of the property, its area, type and address. The major difference is that the work itself does not take place on the spot, since the property is not ready. So, it is about rendering, not photographing. In this case, you have to open the miscellaneous menu by clicking on the Items tab. Here, choose Modeling, then you have to specify the styles in which you want us to design and render the property. As mentioned previously, in this case, we do not photograph, but a software renders the property's interior. Usually, people ask for modeling in 1, 2 or 3 styles. The first one is kind of a minimalist style, the second is a cozy one, the third one is an extravagant style. This is important since you cannot know the taste of the buyer. If the buyer can choose from various styles, he or she is more likely to find the most appealing one. Exterior modeling is also possible if you want to show the building from the outside, for example, with two-dimensional images. In this case, check this option too.